So the next feature, I suppose, along the row here is collaboration. So again, this is a nice feature, especially if your students have Chromebooks, but you can use it with phones. And I suppose most of the time I probably am using it with phones. But so you open the collaboration board, essentially it's a breakout room session for whoever you want in your class. You start by hitting create collaboration session. It gives you a code and a QR code. Now they can scan the QR code and they can go straight into it. But of course, they should have access to the student hub, which is easy, and they can just go to the collaboration session. Just give that code. And once they actually give that code, they'll actually just go straight in. So like if I do it on my phone, I just type in the code, my name is already going to be in on my phone. And you'll see in the background to the right that my name's going to pop up there. So I'll close this there now when my students are in. I can assign room 1. Now I can just write some message here on the screen, right? I can write whatever I want. Now, once that message is written there, I can actually start the breakout room up here. So when I start the breakout room, I can assign whatever people to one room. I'll bring down this to one room now because it's just me. So I'll hit like start breakout session there. So now as a student, I can see that board and I might just write like my name. So when I write my name on it, and then as a teacher, they can all answer. It could be a question, it could be anything. It could be like draw the solar system or something. When they write that, you can end the breakout. And once you end the breakout, you'll have a 2x2 panel and you can scroll through to get the different rooms, however many breakout rooms you have. So for me, I only had like the one breakout room, and you can see I can expand that out there, and you can see that's what I wrote on my breakout room board. And you can download one you think is good, and you can maybe save it to the class, and you can go back to the grid and you can pick, as I said, different boards there. And if you want to do a new board then and keep the same breakout room structure, just click here and you can go again, and as a teacher you can write or draw something else. But something you can also do is actually you can copy an image and you can just paste it into the board. Now your paste is just Control V, Command V if you're on a Mac. So if I just go Control V, I've copied a picture here that I have for the digestive system. And I can just select that now by pressing the select tool, and I can move it around the board. And I can maybe say to my students, like, label this picture, and I can start a breakout session and they can all answer that, and you'll get everyone's answers back. So yeah, so when you start the new session, obviously again, assign the rooms, you can change it around. There's also random assigning of breakout rooms and a whole lot. So yeah, I think it's a nice feature. It's something that's brand new I hadn't used this type of thing before, but I know other teachers in the school had said to me they'd used some similar type programs. So we kind of worked with it together over the last couple of months, and we tried to refine it as best we can. I'm sure we can do better, and I'm always open to suggestions. So hopefully that's something you might get some use out of.